In today's fast-paced financial landscape, managing your money effectively has never been more crucial. With rising costs and unpredictable expenses, many people are looking for ways to stretch their dollars further. That's where the concept of budgeting on just $20 a day comes into play. In this video, we'll dive deep into this challenge, exploring how you can make the most of a limited budget while still enjoying life. Our purpose here is to equip you with practical money management tips that are not only easy to implement, but also relatable to your everyday experiences. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to save more, this budgeting approach can help you gain control over your finances. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn creative strategies for meal planning, entertainment, and even transportation, all while sticking to that $20 daily limit. We'll share real-life examples and success stories that will inspire you to take on this challenge yourself. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by your financial situation or simply want to learn how to budget better, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how budgeting on $20 a day can lead to financial freedom and peace of mind. Understanding the challenge. Living on $20 a day may sound daunting, but it's a challenge that many people are taking on to gain better control over their finances. This concept involves budgeting all your daily expenses, food, transportation, and even entertainment, within that limited amount. The implications are significant. It requires creativity, discipline, and a shift in mindset about how we view money and spending. To make this challenge relatable, let's consider a personal story. Imagine a college student named Sarah who, after realizing her student loans were piling up, decided to take on the $20 a day challenge. She learned to cook simple meals, discovered local free events, and even found ways to enjoy outings without breaking the bank. By the end of the month, not only did she save money, but she also gained valuable skills in budgeting and resourcefulness. Now think about your own budgeting experiences. Have you ever faced a financial crunch that forced you to rethink your spending habits? Reflecting on these moments can help you appreciate the value of living within your means. This challenge isn't just about restriction. It's about empowerment and finding joy in simplicity. So, are you ready to explore how living on $20 a day can transform your financial outlook? Setting up your budget. Creating a budget that fits within a $20 daily limit may seem challenging, but with a clear plan, it's entirely achievable. First, let's break down essential expenses. Food is typically the largest portion of your budget, so aim for cost-effective meals. Consider meal prepping and buying in bulk to save money. Transportation can also add up quickly, so explore public transit options or consider walking or biking when possible. If you're living on your own, housing costs may be fixed, but it's essential to factor them into your overall budget. Next, prioritize your needs versus wants. Needs are essentials like food, shelter, and transportation, while wants include dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. By focusing on your needs first, you can allocate your $20 more effectively. For instance, if you find yourself tempted to grab coffee on the go, consider brewing your own at home instead. To help you stay on track, consider using budgeting tools or apps. Apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, can help you monitor your spending and keep your budget organized. They allow you to categorize expenses and set limits, making it easier to stick to your $20 daily goal. With a little planning and the right tools, you'll be well on your way to mastering your budget. Meal planning on a budget. Planning meals on a $20 budget doesn't mean sacrificing nutrition or flavor. In fact, with a little creativity, you can whip up delicious and affordable meals that keep you satisfied. Start by focusing on affordable staples like rice, beans, pasta, and seasonal vegetables. For example, a simple stir-fry with mixed veggies and tofu or chicken can be both nutritious and budget-friendly. You can also try making a hearty vegetable soup or chili, which can be made in large batches and enjoyed throughout the week. Grocery shopping strategies play a crucial role in sticking to your budget. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially for non-perishable items like grains and canned goods. Just be sure to check unit prices to ensure you're getting the best deal. Additionally, consider creating a shopping list before heading to the store to avoid impulse purchases. Don't forget to explore local markets for fresh produce. Farmers markets often offer seasonal fruits and vegetables at lower prices than grocery stores. Plus, buying local supports your community and can lead to fresher options. By planning your meals around what's on sale and in season, you can maximize your budget while enjoying a variety of healthy foods. With these tips, meal planning on a budget can be both easy and enjoyable. Finding free or low-cost activities. Enjoying life doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. There are countless ways to have fun without overspending, especially when you tap into free or low-cost activities in your community. Start by exploring local events such as free concerts, art shows, or festivals that often take place in parks or community centers. Many cities also have public parks where you can enjoy nature, go for a hike, or have a picnic with friends, all at no cost. Creativity is key when it comes to finding entertainment options that don't break the bank. Consider organizing a game night with friends where everyone brings a snack or a board game. You could also explore local libraries, which often offer free workshops, movie nights, and book clubs. Reflecting on personal experiences, I remember a summer spent visiting local parks and attending free outdoor movie nights. It was a great way to connect with friends while enjoying the fresh air and community spirit. Another memorable experience was participating in a community art class, where I met new people and learned new skills without spending much. By seeking out these free or low-cost activities, you can enrich your life and create lasting memories without straining your budget. So get out there and discover what your community has to offer. Tracking your progress. Monitoring your spending is a crucial part of successfully sticking to a $20 daily budget. By tracking your daily expenses, you can gain valuable insights into where your money is going and identify areas for improvement. One effective method is to keep a simple expense journal, where you jot down every purchase you make throughout the day. Alternatively, you can use budgeting apps like Pocket Guard or Every Dollar, which allow you to input expenses in real time and categorize them for easy analysis. Regularly reflecting on your spending habits can lead to significant benefits. It helps you recognize patterns, such as impulse purchases or recurring expenses that may not be necessary. This awareness allows you to adjust your budget as needed, ensuring that you stay on track and make informed financial decisions. As you navigate your budgeting journey, don't forget to celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's successfully sticking to your budget for a week or finding a creative way to save on groceries, acknowledging these achievements can boost your motivation and confidence. Share your successes with friends or family, or even reward yourself with a small treat that fits within your budget. By tracking your progress and celebrating milestones, you'll build a positive relationship with your finances and empower yourself to continue on this path toward financial freedom. As we wrap up our discussion on budgeting on $20 a day, let's recap the key takeaways. We explored how to create a practical budget by breaking down essential expenses like food, transportation, and housing. We shared meal planning tips that focus on nutritious, affordable options and highlighted the importance of finding free or low-cost activities to enjoy life without overspending. Additionally, we emphasized the significance of tracking your spending and adjusting your budget as needed to stay on course. Now that you have these valuable insights, we encourage you to take action and start your own budgeting journey. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel, where you'll find more resources on budgeting, saving, and financial management. We're here to help you navigate your financial journey, so feel free to leave comments or questions below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you have for budgeting on a tight budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and analysis. Check out this next video.